Guys, absolutely all of you want to know how to make dollars per month. But what if you don't have much experience? Well, if you don't yet have an idea in your mind, this list will spark ideas for making money online, no matter your skill level. So, in today's video, I am going to give you 7 legit ways to make money, even sitting on the couch of your room. So let's get started with the video. Number 7, sell print-on-demand products. In the modern era, print products are highly in demand. Additionally, a printed product lets you customize different products, even if it's about shirts, pillowcases, phone covers, or even mugs. Online print-on-demand, simply called POD, is one of the most trending ways to make money. You just have to buy a simple printing machine, take online orders, print your design on the product, and ship it to the customer. This idea allows you to create customized products quickly, making it a low-risk, low-investment way to earn money. It takes a few hours to set up an e-commerce platform and print-on-demand integration. Number 6, monetize a blog. As all know, many businesses use blogs to help drive traffic to their products. Why don't you think about making money online with a blog alone? You can easily monetize a blog in different ways, such as generating advertising revenue, using affiliate links, writing sponsored posts in partnership with a brand, and selling merch and also custom products to an audience. Keep in your mind that it takes a few hours to start up, but it will take a lot of effort to maintain. You need a blogging platform, select a skill you want to write about, and go ahead. Number 5, sell digital products online. Selling digital products is also an amazing way to earn money with low ongoing effort and cost. These products like guides, ebooks, templates, music samples, plans, printables, and tutorials that might be delivered digitally in formats such as PDF or via login access to a portal. This could be a better option for creatives looking to make money online by selling music or selling art. Well, it takes a couple of hours to get up and running online, but it needs low effort to maintain. Number 4, become a reseller. You can make money from home sitting on your bed doing admin work and reselling existing products, which is one of the easiest online money-making ideas. Well, it may take many forms. Whether you buy and resell watches or collectible items, or become a certified distributor of a brand in a specific region. However, you can start selling products without making any of your own. You can also curate products from other brands through your own e-commerce store. Well, being a reseller means you don't need to create your own products. You just have to find brands to resell by consulting wholesale directories or simply reaching out. Number 3, try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing includes sharing affiliate links that you receive from different brands to promote their products on your site or social accounts to earn money online. So you can also try affiliate marketing to make money online. Basically, when someone purchases the product after clicking your affiliate link, you'll receive credit for the referral, along with a commission. A solid content marketing strategy around your affiliate links can help you drive visits, clicks, and buys. It needs a couple of hours and very little effort to maintain. You just have to sign up for Shopify Collabs to get access to brands offering affiliate programs, and you will also need a website, blog, or social media presence to promote products. Number 2, look for side gigs. You can also make money online via gig work. However, side gigs can help you earn money online, such as data entry, transcribing, manual labor, virtual assistant work, or administrative tasks. For it, you can use different platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or TaskRabbit. Number 1, start a podcast. This is one of the best ways to make money online in 2024. There are numerous podcast listeners worldwide who are predicted to grow to more than 500 million. This popular audio format is introduced for consuming stories, comedy, news, and opinions continue to grow. If you have a good voice or you love to talk, podcasting could be a great way to make more money. Luckily, there are many ways to monetize your podcast. Well, if you liked this interesting video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can stay tuned for the latest updates. We'll catch you soon. Goodbye for now.